Morning Radar Network.
And how amazing is this sky camera view of the U.S. Space and Rocket Center? Just love how it has the Saturn V lit up. So pretty cool sight here this evening. This view brought to you by the Thompson Roofing and Construction Sky Camera Network. And we're still sitting at 64 degrees. That nice south-southeast wind today pushed us up to the upper 70s today here in Huntsville. Muscle Shoals, you hit 80 here this afternoon. It will continue to see a bit of a south wind here in the overnight hours. You'll notice as we take a wide view of the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, we are dry, just a bit of cloud cover off to our north and west, but it's going to take some time for us to start to see some of those showers moving in, and some of those could be close by out at the bus stop tomorrow morning. Just a stray shower or two, most of that's still west into Mississippi, so the kids should be okay heading out the door and heading out to the bus stop tomorrow morning, and could be dodging a few scattered showers by tomorrow afternoon on the way back home. And we are expecting those temperatures to run just a hair cooler tomorrow, closer to 70 for a high because of a little bit of the cloud cover and some of those passing showers. Here's what we're seeing on future radar. This goes through 7:30 tomorrow morning. And again, you'll notice that most North Alabama is dry, but starting to see some of those scattered showers, even a few thunderstorms just off to the west. One thing you'll notice, though, as we animate this, a lot of that activity right there starts to weaken as it moves into North Alabama. Just not a whole lot of instability to work with. So we're just not expecting much in the way of thunderstorms through the late morning hours and into the lunchtime hour tomorrow. It will continue to track some of those scattered showers, even a few thunderstorms just off to the north by the late afternoon hours into your Monday, but that's pretty much about it. So we'll call it hit or miss. Then as we enter the overnight hours, you'll notice this. This is pretty interesting. This looks like something we typically see in the late spring and into the summer. These big thunderstorm complexes that drop in from out of the northwest. We'll have to watch this one closely. A lot of the forecast models just do not have this, but it's definitely possible. And you'll notice how this dives through off to the southeast. It could have some gusty winds with it, but this is pretty much wrapping up by the time we reach the morning commute on Tuesday. So we may get lucky, and most of this is out of here before most of y'all head out the door. Then as we enter Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening, some great news. Look at that. We're tracking dry conditions all the way through 9 o'clock on Tuesday evening for that home opener at Toyota Field for the Trash Pandas. But of course, we'll continue to monitor those conditions closely. There's the precipitation forecasts through the next 24 hours. You'll notice that most of the map has a little bit of that light green, drier conditions for areas closer to DeKalb County, and that's about 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch. Again, that's the next 24 hours. Then heading through the next 7 days, look at all the rain on the map. We're seeing a lot of those purples. That's indicating 2 to 2.5 inches of rain, and a lot of this will come into Wednesday and into Thursday with our next cold front. That's the latest severe risk from the Storm Prediction Center. We'll actually get an update to this map in about 4 hours from now. And you'll notice that the latest update from early this morning, we're in a 2 out of 5 severe risk, but that 3 out of 5 risk is just off to our west. We'll have to monitor that threat closely. There's a look at future radar for Wednesday morning. Most of the activity still off to the west and northwest. And then you'll notice a big line of storms moving in from out of the west by the late afternoon hours and into the evening. That first line kind of falls apart, but a second line moves in by early Thursday morning, bringing that threat of thunderstorms. So look at that 7-day forecast. Could hit 80 both Tuesday and Wednesday. And then that chance for storms is pretty much done by sunrise on Thursday. So even Thursday evening at a Toyota Field, the Trash Pandas should be fine. And we'll continue to see just low rain chances all the way through this weekend. We'll be right back.